Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the football team bundle in Hearttopia. So right now Hearttopia has a new event that called Football Club event, and in here you can get many cool rewards and or items. One of them you can get this bundle that that includes the Esther football screen, Esther football trophy, and then sofa, and then football pennant banner like this. I think it's so cool. And to get it's very easy. First just tap on this club icon and then just tap on this account store football merch. Just tap on go purchase, and in here you can buy this bundle, or you can also get the item one by one on here. You can buy it with your Moonlight Crystal like this. You can get the Moonlight Crystal from the daily sign in over here. You can just claim it from here, and then next, after you get the enough Moonlight Crystal, you can just buy the bundles or the items that you want on here. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.